Well, these videos are getting a bit boring, aren't they? Video number 6. What we got? It's more fidgets. It's Jess Williams. Honestly, I have packaged. I'm not just recycling the same box of fidgets. I did a fidget live. So she's got a light up jiggly, a squishy frog, 2 hot dogs, squishy dog, melon, a squishy strawberry, pop-up mouse and cheese, hello, pop-up unicorn who gets stuck on the bag, so there's a unicorn in there, a super cute squishy narwhal, she's so pretty, and a light up ducky, Wike. Let's back. Sausages.